fucking bitches. I think that one was the best.
Hey Jura babes,
Self-Care Court is in session.
I'm Bridge.
And I'm Jess.
And we make self-care videos, weekly reviewing products,
lifestyle choices, everything. You name it, we can review it.
So if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell. And today we're going to be reviewing the Love Wellness vitamins. Love Wellness.
We do love wellness.
We do.
Bridget taught me today that a product is approachable, and I was like, you know what? You're right. And this is approachable.
She didn't understand approachable. Approachable.
I thought like, you know, like people are approachable, but this is like, I was looking at other vitamins. They are.
The CEO creator of the company is Lo Bosworth. If you've ever watched Laguna Beach,
and
LC's best friend.
Yeah.
I want to watch Laguna Beach.
Let's watch Laguna Beach.
Cool. So we started with the Good Girl probiotics, and a probiotic is good because Jessica's a scientist, so she'll tell you why.
Yeah, probiotics do everything for you. It's your immune system. It's how you digest things.
Most of your serotonin comes from your gut health.
It's so true. So true. So like if you take antibiotics, it's going to kill all the good with the bad. So this puts back everything that you're lacking, and a lot of food doesn't have it in it. And I think it's important to say that you were on these before, significantly before me. She was. So I've
been on these for probably a year.
So we got COVID. You saw if you watched our video. I swear, because she was taking these, she got significantly less sick than me.
I was only sick for one day.
Yeah.
People say vitamins are a scam, but like how? Because I can literally see the difference. A lot of food used to make me sick, and now I can eat mostly anything. And also after taking these, my skin and hair, my hair's never been this long in my whole entire life. It kind of looks like shit right now because I washed it on Monday and it's Wednesday.
Right.
But I swear, like this is fucking gold. And I also like to mention these are available. You used to be able to just get them on the website, lovewellness.com. And this isn't sponsored, you guys. These are like bomb ass products. Now they're available at Target. And
they're approachable. You can walk right up to that shelf.
So Good Girl Probiotics is the one I would say get your hands on. It'll change your life.
I appreciate the Good to Glow.
I haven't tried that one, but her hair like literally transformed.
Yes, my sister's always been very kind in pointing out that I don't have a lot of hair and it's never been able to grow past a certain point. I really do believe that when I take this, so when I take it at night, I wake up and my skin is clearer. When I take it in the morning, you know, like in the morning, my face feels a little bit kind of like sulken in, like, I drink it with a lot of water, and I do feel like it pushes out, like it just kind of does, like make you glow. That sounds stupid.
It has collagen, so that's good.
Yeah, it tightens it.
So definitely these two are the shit.
The lights out. These, when I take these, I do have a hard time getting up. So they've got valerian root in them, which is nature's Xanax, they say. I've had Xanax, and I don't think it's Xanax. I personally, you can't compare.
I bought these first, and they didn't work for me. So I gave them to Jessica, so they work for her. So if you have normal sleeping issues, then they'll probably work for you.
Valerian root, not
If you don't have normal, maybe go to Ambient.
We're on a spiritual
journey. We were
journey.
inspired by Judge Judy with the big booty. We don't have this one because I forgot it because I'm a dumbass. The Killer, I'll insert a picture. It is a boric acid suppository, and on this channel we love a good suppository moment. It takes care of like your pH balance when it's a little off, or if you have like a UTI or something, you just shove it up there. The next morning, you're back to normal. We should try ayahuasca on this channel.
We're gonna review.
Guys, let us know if you want us to try ayahuasca.
Also, we're gonna review.
And Jessica's becoming the shaman of Riverview where she lives.
I'm gonna be a shaman.
Dumpster.
Yeah, and I like literally almost choked to death today on a shroom. Did we mention that these are good for BV?
The Killer.
The Killer's good for BV.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jessica studied BV.
I did. I actually worked as a part of a clinical research.
But she actually did.
But I actually did, you guys. I actually have science background. A lot of women have BV. This is important to mention because you shouldn't be embarrassed about it. A lot of women do have
bacterial vaginosis.
Yes.
Let's not be embarrassed.
Yeah, and it's a really like widespread, like this is a very big issue, and these health, you know? We have evidence, and I actually know, you know? So just, you guys, keep that in mind. Don't be embarrassed. Take your fucking
antibiotics. Try to keep it natural.
By the way, you guys, these have not been evaluated by the FDA, so we are the new FDA. We're we're the fucking drug administration.
Yeah, the fucking drug administration, baby.
Underqualified and overzealous. Yeah, so, but anyways, they didn't inspect these, so we're doing that for you. So that's a good point to mention. Also, I think it is important to mention that this one specifically, I don't think any of the other ones have it. This one specifically, I noticed, says...
Yeah, none of the other ones have it.
Warning, cancer and reproductive harm.
So that's fun. Well, you want reproductive harm.
I do. And you know what?
Jessica hates babies.
I do. Like, I wanted the COVID shot that said you might be sterile, because that would benefit me.
I feel like what ingredient?
I think so.
Okay.
Put warning, cancer and reproductive harm. So they have to have some evidence of that.
That's true.
You don't just put that on your bottle.
Well, okay, doesn't green tea cause reproductive harm?
I don't know.
I've heard that.
Okay.
I've heard too much matcha is like bad for your reproductive system.
Matcha's like supposed to be bad for women with iron. It, like, makes you iron deficient.
So we'll review this next since it causes reproductive harm. Metabolove. I've been taking this.
I have not taken this one, so I'm gonna sit this one out.
I've been taking this for probably a half a year now. I'm still fat, so I don't know if it doesn't
Stop it. She's lost it.
I haven't noticed a huge change.
And she doesn't have cancer that we know of yet.
Yeah, so thank God for that. Curbs food cravings and maintains energy. I would say I don't suggest this because I still don't have energy. I don't know about you.
Don't strike that from the record.
So if these work for you, let us know, because I'm just kind of like on the fence. I think I'll know once I stop taking them.
Yeah, that's a good point.
If they were doing anything.
Let's specifically, mood pills. I'm kind of crazy. I'm a little unpredictable. My mood can go from like one thing to the next. I do believe I have like a personality disorder. So I took these before work once when I was feeling I might be a bit unstable. And I did feel pretty fucking calm.
These didn't do anything for me, but I'm an actual sociopath, so I just take Zoloft.
And like, actually, like, tranquilizers don't even work for her.
Yeah.
This did really tranquilize me. Like, I was at work and I was like, whatever. You want your fucking cheese fries? That's fucking cool. Hope somebody gets that for you, because I'm fucking chilling. I'm not a doctor.
I think you are a doctor.
I do have a doctor.
She does fight her pharmacist every Sunday. I want to try the Sparkle Fiber. The Sparkle Fiber is like supposed to just take care of everything and make you fucking sparkle. So I'll take that next and I'll put it on my TikTok or something and let you know how it works, because I'm actually so psyched about it.
And that would be cool if it took care of everything, because then I wouldn't have to like worry about choking on 18 different pills.
I would say the verdict is in, and Love Wellness vitamins are
unanimous. A buy.
So run to Target, run to Ulta, run to their website and pick them up.
This is a B&J approved product. FDA may not, but
the fucking drug administration
of B&J Court does.
Bitches. So if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel.
And if you don't, subscribe it too, because just because. Okay, but you guys, seriously, we love you and we have to go because we have huge things to do. You can expect this all the time.
Yes, and every Tuesday we'll be at the Court of Bridge and Just.
And if you have anything you want us to review, or anything,
if you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment.
We'll shove crystals up our asses for you. You guys let us know and we'll do it.
For sure. Yeah. We were thinking about a coffee enema because we saw it on My Weird Obsession.
She doesn't want to do it because she doesn't want to get obsessed with it.
I don't. They made it sound so good.
So we're not going to do that.
But we might.
Anything outside of a coffee enema we'll do for you guys.
But we might do a coffee enema.
We might do a coffee enema. So stay tuned.
So thanks for watching. Love you guys.